comes around. Sorry, did you say something? Oh, nothing. I was just recalling the laws of nature. What laws of nature? The laws of nature. I can tell you 3 laws of the nature right now. Yeah, go on. Law number 1 is you're not special. In fact, no one is special. And at the same time, everyone is special. It's quite confusing, but what's the law number 2? Law number 2 is, just give me a second. Hurry up, buddy. Alhamdulillah. So, the law number 2 of nature is whatever is awaited most will take the most amount of time. Quite relatable. And the law number 3, the most important, what goes around